Hello and welcome to another property talk with Jeevan from Capital & Co Real Estate. Applying for a home loan can be overwhelming, especially for the first-home buyers. So to help us with that, we are joined here by the lovely Stacey Polidano from Smartline, who is a mortgage broker. So a little bit about yourself, Stacey, and your company.
Well, thank you for having me. Yeah, so Smartline Personal Mortgage Advisers was recently bought out by REA Group, more commonly known as realestate.com. And we are a mortgage broking company where we have over 30 lenders on our panel. I guess my main role is to provide excellent customer service and navigate buyers through the purchase process, whether it's from pre-approval, investment, selling and buying. We are there the whole way through really to navigate clients through the range of products and trying to find a product that best suits their needs. So that's what we do at Smartline, and on top of that as well, exceptional customer service. So we have an average of 5-star rating at Smartline South Moraine, and that's what we definitely pride ourselves on.
The other question we have is, especially during the open inspection, we get a lot of buyers coming through and they're a little bit confused. It's a common question we get asked by the buyers is, why do they have to go through a broker instead of going through a bank? What's the advantage the buyers get by approaching you guys straight away?
So good question, Jeevan. Banks and brokers, we get that a lot as well when people initially call us. So there's always there's so many reasons why I would say broker, but without sounding biased. We do have two main reasons what I like to point out straight away, and that is one, the customer service. So the service that I guarantee you get from a broker, you probably won't get at a branch, unfortunately. So what I pride myself in is the annual review. So every year my clients, and they have up until this day and will continue to get phone calls from me every year, annual reviews. And what I like to see is a lot of the clients actually answer the phone and say, "Hey Stacey," so they've already saved my number. And that's I guess a testament to the customer service that we offer. They do save my number, they know when I'm calling. Any questions that the customers do have as well, I get them to call me first. So instead of waiting on hold for 20-30 minutes to a bank, any bank, I get them to call me straight away, and I'll see if I can solve that problem for them initially before they have to waste their time waiting on hold. The second reason is obviously the 30 lenders. So we have over 30 lenders on our panel. So when you tend to go to a bank, they're only obviously going to sell you their products, what they have to offer. When you come to a broker, we have over 30 lenders, and we will look at what best suits your needs. So we'll go through our database and go through our products, and we will find something or a solution that tailored to your needs. So it could be from a major to a second tier to a third tier to a lender that you've probably never heard of.
Beautiful. Just to expand on your answer, there's another question I do get regularly with the buyers. Do they have to pay you guys a fee as a mortgage broker if they approach you?
Good question, Jeevan. So again, with that one, we get that a lot. And the answer is simply no. So at Smartline, our office in South Moraine and across Smartline, we don't charge any fees to lodge an application. That's direct from us. Obviously, if there's an application fee with the lender, so if the lender that we go with at the time has an application fee, that's obviously charged by the bank itself or the credit union or whoever it may be. But Smartline, we don't charge any fees to lodge applications on your behalf.
And the other question we get asked by the buyers is, they come to open inspection and they fall in love with the property and they want to put in an offer. The offers will be subject to finance, whether it be 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Can the buyers out there, I know there are a few people watching, can they put in an offer subject to finance if they haven't gone through the process of getting pre-approval done?
Yeah, certainly. So we always recommend that you do get a pre-approval in place before you start looking. I think that'll give you a really good understanding of your borrowing power and what's involved in the process. If you find a property that you love, that you see and you fall in love with, then we definitely recommend that you put your offer in subject to finance. So that way you've got your 10 days or your 14 days, your clause to obviously get your money back if the finance falls through. But like I was saying, get your pre-approval in, and that's something we can definitely help you with anyway.
And also talking about interest rate, it is at the all-time lows at this stage. So maybe to our viewers, maybe give us a little bit of rundown on what's happening with the interest rate these days.
Yeah, so interest rates, correct, they are at an all-time low, so we are getting a lot of refinances. So obviously if you've already got a home loan or an investment loan, a lot of people are reaching out to us to refinance their current home loan and review their structures. We have rates at the moment fixed as low as in the low 2, so 2.09 for example, and then obviously variable P&I in the high 2s, but there's still 2 in front of it, so I think that's really important. I think if you are sitting at in the 3s or the 4s, definitely reach out to your broker or whoever, because it is really important that you have a 2 in front of your interest rate. Being an all-time low, you'll be saving a lot of money at the moment, I can guarantee that. So yeah.
Yeah, that's fantastic. The interest rates are low, so get on the phone if you want to get your refinance and save a little bit of money every monthly for the monthly repayment. Yeah, and finally, the HomeBuilder Scheme, which seems to be very popular in the last 10 days since it's gone live. We as an agent, we're getting a lot of phone calls, especially first-home buyers that are looking to buy a land and build their own home. So I know there's a lot of question marks still, so I know there's a lot of people watching there. They have a lot of questions whether are they eligible or not. Maybe I think you should give them a few tips.
Yeah, well, in light of the recent pandemic, obviously COVID, the government brought out a scheme, and it's really to help the construction industry. So this scheme is, for owner-occupied dwelling. It's an initiative of $25,000, and to be eligible, there's certain criteria that obviously, if you have any questions, you can give me a call and we can go through it. But really simply, it's have to be over 18. An Australian citizen. Single applicants have to be earning $125,000 or less, and a couple it's $200,000 or less, and the property that you're looking to buy or build has to be at a value of $750,000 or under. Okay, so there's room there for some money to obviously assist with the finance part. And the second part of this scheme is obviously for renovation. So if you're looking at doing any improvements to your home, same criteria except the renovation is $150,000 or under, so the work's there. But yeah, definitely a good initiative here to try and help the economy with the construction industry.
And also just a little reminder, just extending from what Stacey said, the contract has been in between 4th of June 2020 to the 31st of December 2020. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for today. Once again, thank you for giving us the time, Stacey. So if you guys are looking for someone, a mortgage broker that gets the job done, give Stacey a call from Smartline, and obviously we'll put the number on the link below as well. And until we see you next time, thanks again, and see you guys next time on another Property Talk with Jeevan.
Yeah, thank you so much, Jeevan, for having me and the team at Capital & Co. Appreciate it.
Perfect. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.